So Jimbo and I are on the Extreme boat checking it out. I think you'll be pretty impressed. There's Jimbo just relaxing, waiting for me to quit talking.
I'm on a boat.
And so we've got a sit-up bar. Awesome. There's 2 refrigerators up here. You can drive it from the top. And you've got seats all around. There's several lawn chairs, an elevator for disabled, a hot tub. It's like way big, very cool. And the only thing about that is you can't have water in it when the boat moves. So I guess you can only just fill it at night. How you fill it, I didn't ask yet. And then down here you have a nice covered deck. It's awesome. And then you go inside. Reenie, this place is cool. Here's bedroom number 1. Half bath. Bathroom number 2.
Yeah, this was the best one out of the whole.
And then there's 2 bedrooms down here.
Yeah.
They're all
Which
queen,
are the
I
ones
think.
first or the ones that get cleaned?
Hi.
Once it gets closer to the date, or if the cleaners
And then
don't have anything else to do, they'll
here's bedroom number 4. What's this? Oh, another bathroom. Very nice.
I've only been here.
Check this out, Reenie. Not like combat camera reunions. 2 big size refrigerators and freezers. There's dishwasher, stove. Oh my god, this place is incredible. Lindsay, is there a barbecue?
Yes, the barbecue's up front, and you have 2 propane tanks.
And here,
So May will still be pretty good to use that hot.
and there's a deep freezer out here. Barbecue, oh, nasty dirty. And holy cow, I think we'll be very lucky.